Hello and welcome to my video today. I got this package in from ORS Ocean Repair Services. I'm going to open it up right now and check it out. Oh, look what I have. I have an Ocean Repair Services hat. Definitely go on my wall of cool items. Oh, another hat. We have an ocean hat. Ah, very cool. And let's see what else we got. In this bag here, we have these appear to be the same, just different color. These are door handle templates. When you're replacing the door handles on the car, these are used for centering the door handles in that opening. And let me show you what that looks like right now. Of course, I'm not doing the door handle replacement at this moment, but as you can see, this fits over the door handle here and we'll be able to center it so that there's an even opening all around it so that it is placed correctly on the door. So this is handy to have if you're planning on doing this, and definitely any service techs, this is good to have too, and their tool set. So that's about it. Not a huge thing here, but you can see the shape of it, and there it is. So I actually paid for this one myself, so I'm going to be doing, at least attempting to do, the rear door handles myself in an upcoming video. I have a long distance trip planned in the next week or so, so I'm not going to be able to attempt this until I get back from the trip. However, the new Gen 2A door handles will be probably shipping by the end of the month. I still have time to get my video done before those get shipped to people for installing. So that's about it. This door handle placement tool is from ORS. If you're interested, I have the links in the video description. That's about it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.